TD FlexPay Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you've been exploring credit cards that promise both flexibility and rewards, the TD FlexPay Credit Card may have caught your eye. But in 2025, with so many cards offering unique perks, it's essential to understand exactly what you're getting. Today, we're going to break down the TD FlexPay Credit Card in detail, covering features, rewards, fees, real-world usability, and who should actually consider applying ***. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the flexible payment angle, but here's why the bigger picture is critical. Let's start with the *** core concept. ***. The TD FlexPay Credit Card is designed to ***, combine traditional credit card benefits with flexible payment options. Essentially, it lets you make purchases anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, while giving you the option to ***, split larger purchases into manageable monthly installments. This is not just a gimmick, it's a feature that can genuinely help with budgeting and cash flow if used responsibly. Imagine making a $900 electronics purchase and breaking it into $300 payments instead of paying it all at once. For many people, that alone makes the card attractive. The *** flexible payment plan ***, known as FlexPay, is the heart of this card. Typically, FlexPay allows you to *** divide a purchase into 3 to 6 installments. If you pay each installment on time, you avoid interest charges, making it more budget-friendly than a typical credit card that charges immediately. However, missed payments can lead to fees and interest that might be higher than standard rates. Most people get this wrong by assuming flexible payments are automatically free of cost, but discipline is key. Understanding the payment schedule and sticking to it is critical to maximizing value. Now let's talk about ***, rewards. The TD FlexPay Credit Card offers ***, cashback or points on purchases ***, with rates depending on categories. Standard purchases typically earn ***, 1% cashback while select categories like groceries, gas, or online shopping may earn ***, 2-3%. Some versions of the card offer ***, bonus rewards when using FlexPay on partner merchants ***, giving users even more incentive to take advantage of installment payments. The surprising truth is that combining cashback with installment options can sometimes yield ***, better effective savings than traditional cashback cards ***, particularly if you're buying higher ticket items. Another key consideration is ***, fees ***. The TD FlexPay Credit Card may have an ***, annual fee ***, sometimes around $30, $50 depending on the region. Late payments or missed installments can result in ***, interest charges or fees ***, which could outweigh the benefits if you're not careful. Unlike some premium cards, the TD FlexPay card is not intended for users who consistently carry a balance. They should approach cautiously. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on rewards without accounting for potential fees. Usability is straightforward. The card works anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, both online and in store. The TD app allows you to track purchases, see upcoming installment payments, and monitor rewards. Transparency in the app is a major advantage. It helps avoid surprises with due dates or charges. Many users find this level of visibility gives them ***, better control over their spending and monthly budgeting ***. Let's take a closer look at ***, practical perks ***. Some partner merchants offer exclusive discounts or cashback bonuses for using FlexPay installments. For example, you could get ***, extra 5% cashback at electronics stores or fashion retailers when using FlexPay for larger purchases. This effectively increases your savings beyond standard cashback rates. You won't believe how much you can save over a year if you strategically plan purchases around these promotions. The card also provides ***, credit building opportunities ***. Like traditional credit cards, TD FlexPay reports to credit bureaus, meaning on-time payments contribute positively to your credit score. This makes the card appealing for younger adults or first-time credit users who want to ***, or improve their credit history ***, while enjoying flexible payment options. Most people underestimate how BNPL-style credit cards can help with credit building when payments are made responsibly. Now let's break down the pros and cons for 2025. Pros: flexible installment options for managing larger purchases, cashback or points rewards on everyday spending, bonus rewards at partner merchants for using FlexPay works wherever Visa/MasterCard is accepted. Mobile app with payment and rewards tracking helps build credit with responsible use. Cons: fees and interest apply for missed payments, may have an annual fee depending on the version. Rewards may be lower than premium travel or cashback cards, requires discipline to maximize value. To illustrate, consider this scenario. You buy a $600 laptop. Using FlexPay, you split it into 3 payments of $200. At the same time, you earn *3% cashback on the purchase, totaling $18. By spreading payments without interest, you save over $20 compared to a standard credit card charging 18% APR on a carried balance. You won't believe how this simple strategy can enhance your budgeting. Who should consider the TD FlexPay credit card? It's ideal for young adults or first-time credit users, people making occasional large purchases who want to manage cash flow, online shoppers, or those who frequently buy at partner merchants, individuals looking to build credit responsibly. It may be less suitable for people who frequently miss payments, those seeking high-tier travel or premium rewards cards, users wanting completely fee-free credit card experiences. In conclusion, the TD FlexPay credit card in 2025 offers a smart combination of flexibility, rewards, and credit building potential. While it requires discipline to avoid fees, it provides a practical solution for managing larger purchases, earning rewards, and improving credit. Most people miss the real value by only considering installments or rewards individually, but the true advantage lies in combining these benefits responsibly. If this review helped you understand the TD FlexPay credit card, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. We'll continue bringing in-depth credit card reviews, financial insights, and money-saving strategies to help you make the best decisions in 2025 and beyond.